rather muddy, puddly. It was raining quite hard earlier. Should be fun. Just have a wander. I'm not bringing much stuff with me. I've got a flask of tea, a big heavy pair of binoculars, just for the hell of it. I've got my chair to sit on, waterproofs and all that stuff. Right, this looks rather slippery. Oh, I wonder if I shall end up on my butt today. Ooh. It's funny when you look at the video that I take with this camera, the steepness and that of these slopes and hills, it's not very apparent. So I'm going to switch off there, leave you all, come back later if I find anything exciting. Bye for now. Well, this is a surprise. I didn't expect this, but they've been round here and cut all the bushes, all the hedges and all the grass. It's been well flattened out now. Looks very different. Very different indeed. I was going to walk along the beach, but I'm looking down now. I haven't got a zoom on this stupid camera, not a video bit. Looks like the tide's right in. Strong wind is whipping the waves up about 10-15 feet high. I'm going to walk down there and have a look anyway. Always come back and go a different way. Well, this is one big surprise. I'm not walking down that bit. It's way too steep and muddy. I'll go down that bit over there. Back in a bit. Well, I'm not going down the steps because it's pretty obvious the tide's right in. I won't be able to get far. This, oh, it looks so different. It is unbelievably different. The trouble is, I've already nearly ended up on my arse once, just coming down there. It looks like this place used to be all overgrown down here, and it had warning signs up and everything, but look at it now, it's completely opened up. The only problem is, that's where I was going to try and go, this mud is several inches thick. Can't see a way unless I keep right to the edge. This could be fun. I'll keep the camera out for a while. This could be fun. I'm not sure how far I'm going to get. Oh, my shoes are already getting heavy. I'm determined to have a go. Oh God, sinking in the mud. Got to come back up this way because I don't. Oh, I see. Oh dear, I'm sinking in it. Whoops. Squelch. Got through that bit. Oh dear. Why am I so stupid? Why am I so stupid? Oh, I've never seen this lot before, filled up with water. Oh, dearie dearie. Right, well, I got down there safely. Shoes are going to need a good scrub clean. See how far I can get. This was another little spot I was thinking of last year. I can't even recognise exactly where it was now. It was in here somewhere. But all these trees have been, they haven't fallen down, they've been cut down. Whoops, there we go. Oh joy, this is going to be a fun trip. Where was it? I know there was somewhere along here I looked at in the past. Oh, there it is. Huh. Oh. So some of this dries out a little bit before the spring. Yeah, that was it. That little patch in there I was considering. And looking at the trees, it looks a bit iffy. I'll keep it in mind though, never know. Right, here we go. Right, well, I've never been down this far before. I didn't know these steps even existed until a minute ago. Now I'll come down this far, and looking down there, that's pretty steep. But look at all the puddles and the mud, but that ain't the worst of it. Look, it goes round there, and then down there, and then down there. I don't know where it goes from down there, somewhere. I suspect it goes up into the bushes somewhere. But I suspect if I go down there, I'm asking for trouble. I mean, look, that mud there is about, what I could see from here, I would say that's at least 4 to 6 inches deep there. Just mud, goo, slime. Just seriously hope it dries up a bit in the spring. That's really bad. I'm not going to venture down there. I might be a bit daft, but I'm not stupid. I'll try going down the other steps towards the beach, see what happens. I might be able to sit down the bottom there somewhere and have a cup of tea. But other than that, I ain't going down there. Definitely not today anyway. Well, these steps are vertical, nearly 90 degrees all the way down to there, but let's move a little closer. I don't think I'm going to be walking along the beach. The beach is underwater, rough water and all. Proper chucking it up the banks over there. Straight across there. See, I'm only looking at this tiddly tiny little view screen. I don't know what you can see. But almost straight in front, there's a bit of a hill with a pathway that goes up it. And all down in them dips over there, and that's where I was planning to go, but won't be doing that with the tide in like this. You can get to it the other way round, but it's quite a long walk from here, and I don't fancy that today. You have to go all the way up round the road at the top. So I won't be going down there today. I can't really put my chair up and sit down for a cup of tea, there's too much bloody mud. Right, the screensaver's come on, I can't see where I'm pointing it now. I got down here safely, just by the skin of my teeth. Let's press a button here, see what happens. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see it, but that's a pretty steep climb up there. Let's make my way up a little bit. This bit ain't too bad here. But mud. I expected it to be a bit muddy around the pathways and that, but I really didn't expect it to be this bad. I've got to walk on that little edge there and then try and make my way up the steps. So I'll keep the camera running for this. You might get a laugh when I end up with my face in the mud. Well, I'm going to try my damnedest to avoid it. It's going to take me a week to clean these shoes off. Ooh. Right, steps. Oh, this is going to be fun. Here we go. Again, it doesn't show up too well on the camera screen, the video, but some of these steps are quite steep. Oh, a bit of a slopey bit there. Make sure you've got a firm foothold before you go. Ready, steady, go! This ain't doing my legs any good either. Ah dear. Well, I've had a fun half hour, I suppose. Look, see, that's halfway up my shin, that step. That's how steep someone was. Nearly there, nearly off the steepest bits anyway. The old legs are starting to ache now. Oh, some bloke running with a couple of dogs. I don't know if you can spot them. Try and walk up here. Oh dear. You're braver than me.
Sorry?
You're braver than me. You won't get far down the bottom, the tide's right up.
Right, cheers.
Whew. This looks so different now. It's almost a different world. I've got to stay on the grassy bits if I can. Makes it a little bit firmer. Oh, I don't know what you can see. I'm just pointing it in the rough direction. Look at it all. It's just a quagmire. I don't know where to find a spot up here somewhere, see if I can sit down for a while. They've made it so different now, I can't even recognise the patches where I used to put the tent up. They've completely flattened it. Oh dear. Let's see if I can work it out. Well, there's a bit of a gap between the bushes there, so that might be one spot. I don't know, I don't really recognise it. Let's see if I can find a firm spot to put my chair up. Ah, there. Don't think there's such a thing. I don't know where that bloke went down there, but he must have found a way round. Perhaps he's a good swimmer. How about that spot at the top there? Oh, squelch, squelch. It'll be fun trying to drive home with about 10 pounds of weight on my shoes. Now I can't see anything that's going to be firm enough to sit down on. It's like a different world. I don't like it. Don't like it. When all the bushes and shrubs and that were here, you had all the little nooks and crannies to put the tent in and that, but gone, all gone. Don't like it. But I've got to try and walk back up there now. I'll kill the camera, try and edit it all together when I get home and have a cup of tea. See you all later.